And welcome back to the 2-minute market. We break down today's market while keeping it as simple as possible. Now today I had to give a 2-minute market as we had major events in the market. The first one being the breakdown of cryptocurrency and specifically Bitcoin. And the second one was the last hottest earnings of earnings season, and that was Nvidia. And everybody's eyes was on Nvidia after the close today. So let's go straight into that one. And it was a huge event because in the last couple days, the tech sector has been selling off. So they were trying to see, can Nvidia save the whole market? And it came out, Nvidia actually reported good earnings. The expectations for the earnings per share was at 84 cents and it came in at 89 cents, so it beat on that. Now the revenue was expected to be at $38 billion and it came in at $39 billion. So again, it beat on that. But if you've been watching the 2-minute market, you know the most important thing is the guidance. And the guidance is what the company is expecting to do the next quarter. And the guidance came in and Nvidia expected to have another strong quarter. So again, it looks like across the board, Nvidia had a great earnings. So you will think that Nvidia stock soared after earnings. But if you look at the chart above, you'll see that Nvidia is up, but it's only up a little bit, hovering around that 2% mark. And honestly, that's a big surprise because the consensus was that Nvidia will be up 8% or down 8%. So really, this earnings was really a non-event. And the main story is still the consumer's buying power is weakening and inflation is going up. That means if we get a bad PCE inflation number on Friday, Nvidia stock can still fall down with the rest of the stock market. Now, if you look at the indices above, you'll see that today was pretty much a flat day. The S&P 500 was flat and the NASDAQ was almost flat as well. And the next big story was cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Now, if you've been an avid viewer of these videos, you know I've been letting you guys know the number of 92,000 on Bitcoin. And I said, if Bitcoin breaks 92,000, it can go down, it can go down fast. And actually, that's what happened. Bitcoin today hit $82,000. The next big support is $75,000. So from here, two things can happen I want to let you guys know about. It could go straight to that $75,000 or it could retest that $92,000 mark. Usually happen in this situation is it retests that old support level. So what that means is Bitcoin could go back all the way to 92,000, and then at that point we have to really pay attention because from there it could sell back off, and it can sell back off fast. So if you're a Bitcoin holder, you want to protect some of your profits, you want to look at that $92,000 level, and if it does hit back there, start selling off again from there, because again, it can go all the way down to $75,000. And Ethereum, if you look at the chart, Ethereum is actually selling off even more. And usually what happens when a Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down. But if you notice, Ethereum is down actually more than Bitcoin, and it makes sense. Bitcoin dominance is up. That means Bitcoin relatively is stronger than the rest of the altcoins. So again, it has been a lot of selling in the stock market and a lot of selling in the cryptocurrency market. So the market is actually anticipating the PCE inflation data on Friday, but again, I will let you guys know what's happening. Again, this is the 2-minute market, and I'll see you this weekend.